o tle le file ka mo South Africa buti bjano nyakana le a ke re ka botsa gore ya go private clinic ya buti ya lo ka nna le 6 years a se country ya gawa buti tsamaya gone ba o thusa a butaka ba ka se o fe file ke property ya clinic ke property ya government ya go Zimbabwe o nyakana le file ya go Zimbabwe ya buti ya go Zimbabwe ba fe file ya buti ya go Zimbabwe ba tla fonela ka mo clinic o ska wara ba tla fonela ka mo clinic nga buti ka statement sa ska wara wa bona bontsha gore a o itse re irala mo South Africa re ka se kgone o fa file a buti file ka se kgona gale tsamaya police station o ba botse gore ke tsere file ya gago tsamaya nna ke re ka o fa direction go fa direction ya bophelo ba bo go Zimbabwe se mo South Africa buti nne yana bothata bophelo ba go Zimbabwe se mo South Africa ke re bophelo ba bo go Zimbabwe se mo South Africa buti ba tlhalwana a ke tshwara file ya butaka ya a ka tshwara file ha ya nne flopo he o tlile leng ka ra you are not South African abuti no you na le 6 years o utswa ditlhare tsa rena o tlhabe ke kala no di utswa you are not allowed to be in this facility no di utswa ditlhare tsa rena no di utswa 6 years o na le 6 years le bilo re utswetsa medication ba holo motho wa rona le 6 years a utswa medication ka mo clinicing ya lena a rona le 6 years a tsa medication ka mo clinicing wa tlhalwana wena go tlhono sa khopelo tlo khopela ka jeko ka re ka je o ngebe le khalo khopetse o na le 6 years o utswa medication re nyaka batho ba tshwana le wena mose khalo o utswa medication ka mo wena no utswa you are not allowed to be here buti you are not allowed to be here no utswa medication the South Africans ya re tse videos a shione lo ena no utswa ditlhara ngere a ke lo ena no utswa ditlhara ka mo clinicing o fedile
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Na Zimbabwe ni yalo lapana clinic Pedisong clinic la Beharankuwa uthi ke yena ufuna le file yakhe lapha clinic ngemva kokuthi operation Dudula member imqoshe lapha clinic ethakahamba ku private hospital or private clinic because uyi-foreigner ke sana so siyababona nje labanye bangani bakhe bamile lapha egedeni nabo labajikisiwe lapha eclinic and yena utheni ufuna ifile yakhe because leya file yayicontainer i-personal information yakhe into yakhe letibalulekile nebugulu bakhe uthi njena le file yakhe uyayifuna before ahambe wathi lo body qho wena la South Africa ufike ne-file qho le file ebhilonga nje la clinic there's no way ukuthi wena nginiketwa i-file la uto yakhona bafike bakuvulele lenye file siyathi ukuthi each and everywhere la uyakhona ubafike bakuvulele i-file awuthatha i-file uthi ngoba wena uyasuka lana beMozambique kufuna uhambe ne-file yakho eZimbabwe kufuna uhambe ne-file yakho njengoba vele nala khani ufika la South Africa uzange ufike ne-file so but abaningi bayathi ukuthi ma-members e-Operation Dudula lapha ePedisong clinic ahlala khona they are always there but for some reason bathatha ama-chance for some reason they just keep on coming back abafuni ekuhlala bangayi batitshela nje ukuthi hayi cha ndolinga inhlanhla next week hayi ndolinga inhlanhla ngetingaka ndolinga inhlanhla Friday bathole ma-members e-Operation Dudula so loku athe njo. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.